This is Teresa with Beans and Stitches, and I'm just going to go very quickly over how to do the Chinese wave pattern. Very simple, and it comes out so pretty. I'm just making washcloths here, and I did one in a 5mm and then one in a 10. So you can use some really chunky yarn. This is the wrong side of the pattern, actually shows the wave pattern, and then the right side is actually, it looks pretty knitted. Both sides look really nice. If you wanted to, you could crochet an edge around this too. So let's do this. It's an odd number of stitches. I chose 39 on my 5mm, and the first thing you want to do is cast on your 39 and then knit the first row. If you need help with just basic knit, slip, or purl, or cast on, I put some links below. I'm going to show you how to do the slip stitch here, though I actually don't have a video for that because it's too simple. There we go. Okay, so knit your first row. Very simple. Okay, row number 2. You knit the first stitch, and then the pattern goes to the end, slip, and we're slipping knitwise, slip, and then knit. So let's do that again. Just slip it off from the left to the right, and then knit. I have found that it's very good if people don't talk while you're doing this. Otherwise, you'll be pulling out a row. So that was knit, so slip, and then knit the next one. And just do that all the way to the end. Knit the third row. The fourth row, and the fourth row is going to be almost like the second row. So we just knit the third row. Now look, I want to show you this. If you look, you can start to see the wave right there. And that is the wrong side. Now I turn and I'm on this side, and I'm going to do the fourth row. And this is you knit 2. So let's knit 2. Okay, knit 2. Slip 1, knit 1. That's the fourth row. So we'll do that again. Slip 1, knit 1, slip, and knit. Not very hard. And do you see the side that I'm on? So I'm on the right side. I'm pointing this out in case you lose track of where you're at, and there's an easy way to tell which row you're on, or which one you just did if you don't want to use a counter. But okay, so that's the fourth row. So it's 2 stitches, 2 knit stitches, and then slip, knit, slip, knit, slip, knit, all the way to the end. And then I want to show you right when you get to the last 3 stitches. So let me see, that's a slip. This is the fourth one, last 4 stitches, but in the pattern, it's the last 3. You want to make sure that the third one in is a slip. So it's slip, and then you knit, knit. Remember, in the beginning of the fourth row, it's knit, knit, slip. Well, the end is the same thing. So it's slip, and then knit the last 2. And there you go. And then the fifth row, and that is the right side. This is the wrong side. Look at that. Do you see the lovely little holes it's making and the little wave? So pretty. So this is the wrong side, and we're just going to knit the fifth row. So just give it the same as the third. So now we have done the whole pattern, rows 1 through 5. And when you start, again, you're not going to start on row 1, which is a knit. You're going to start on row 2, and that is going to be for the remainder of your pattern. and you can tell, so you're going to start on row 2, and row 2 was, and I have memorized this now, it's knit is the first stitch, and then the pattern is slip, whoops, see what I almost did? Slip, knit, right? Slip, knit. Okay. Always remember when you get to the end of those second and fourth rows, when you get to the end on the second row, it's going to be slip is always your last part of the pattern, and then knit. And then on the fourth row, it's knit, knit, slip, knit, slip, knit, slip, knit, all the way down to the third stitch at the end, and then that would be slip, knit, knit. And you can always tell you're going to be on a slip knit row if you're working on the right side. The right side is the side without the pattern here. The wrong side is the side with the wave. Very, very nice. So those are just a few tips to help. And it's very easy. And I am making, remember, odd number of stitches, and I usually measure mine out between 7 and 8 inches, which is a good size for a baby washcloth. And I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.